owl with one eye. Hello, owl. Let's go. Where do we go?
Makes a circle. So let's go this way. Okay.
Yeah, let's go this way. Because it's sunny down there and you know me.
Watch out for snakes. I saw a snake here one time.
And make sure you don't accidentally break the bridge by jumping on it.
Exactly.
Because this is only wood. That little hill right there, I almost fell going down it. Sorry if you guys can't see very well. It's just the sun.
Yeah, on me swamp. Ew, that is swampy water. Is it not salt? Oh, that's what you're supposed to be looking for.
What are you supposed to look
Dude, what
for?
is that moving down there? What? What's moving? Water. Is that the snake in there? Look at the snake right there on top of the water. Look at it. You see where the water's moving? No, Sean. Look, Maddox, do you not see where the water's moving? You see his head's out of the water and his tongue? Oh my God. No. How do you not see where the water's moving? Here, come here.
I see it like doing this.
Do you see where the water is dribbling right there?
Over there?
Do you see its head sticking up? Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay, watch. You'll start seeing it.
I don't see.
Oh, it just went under. You know what? It'll come back up. Look.
I can't.
Okay, I don't want to be out here. I don't want to be out there.
I didn't get to see the snake.
Come here. I'm going. Maddox, you wait. Okay, come on, Asher. Here, we're going to try to get you to look at it over here.
I saw where the water was doing this.
Yeah.
I never saw the head.
Oh, we got to go down there? What do you mean? We got to go down there beside it? Oh, no, I'm not doing that. Maddox, please wait on us.
I'm going down there. I'm not scared of snakes.
I am. I ain't going down there.
I'm not scared of pretty much. I'm not scared of any of this animal stuff because you know me. I love my animals. Even butterflies and mosquitoes and dragonflies. Even though there's one in our pool yesterday.
I ain't going over there.
So I don't get to see the...
Ooh, right here's where I saw that snake that time. Over here. It was over here. Okay, Asher, I just want to go. I don't like this. This is so dangerous. Oh my God.
It's so dangerous for me to be walking again because I...
Run. Oh my God. How did you get through here? It's federal ground. You just wait till we get inside. Asher, come on. Get away from those woods. Charging boat.
Oh!
Stop, I like it. Ah. Okay, y'all please.
Guys, if y'all saw that owl with one eye... Wait, Mom, I think I know why the owl only...
Hang on, I want you to run underneath that tree. Okay? Yeah, right. Asher, come on. We gotta run under the tree.
Something's shaking.
Yeah, come on, go. Go. I don't like this. Oh, God, I'm not a nature person.
I am.
So gross.
Wait,
Can you go on this trail? I ain't doing all that.
I
will. No.
I don't think I
It's
can.
hot, and there's not one bit of shade over there.
I don't think I can. I don't think.
Nothing's what, Asher?
I don't think I can live out here. It's too hot. I could live out here in the winter.
Okay. I don't know. I just want to go. I don't like being this close to that water.
I'll survive in the
Come on,
winter.
you gotta keep up. I don't like this water on the nature out here. So gross. Oh God, I'm so scared. I don't like any of this stuff.
I like nature.
I don't mind nature, but snakes, I can deal with like some rats and spiders and stuff like that, but I can't be doing no snakes.
Can you deal with wolves?
No, I couldn't deal with the wolf either.
Well, I'm thirsty.
No, come on.
I have some food up in the car. Maybe I can eat that.